Let's have this one. In triangle ACD, so I have here triangle ACD, your DB, this one, your DB is 3x plus 1, BC is 3x minus 1, AE is 5x minus 1, and EC is 4x plus 1. So, first step is you have to set up the proportion. So, set up natin yung proportion. I will be using DB over BC is equal to AE over EC. So, yun ang gagamitin kong proportion. So, ang pinapahanap sa atin ay value ni X. Okay? So, we have your DB is 3x plus 1, your BC is 3x minus 1, your AE is 5x minus 1, and EC is 4x plus 1. So, by cross multiplication, we have 3x plus 1 times 4x plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 1 times 5x minus 1. So, you can make use of FOIL method. Pwede mong gamitin ang FOIL method dito or distributive property. Pwede rin po yon. So, we will have 12x squared plus 7x plus 1. So, marami magtatanong dito siguro sa comments, ma'am, paano po nakuha yung 12x squared plus 7x plus 1? Okay, so pwede nyong balikan yung ating lessons ng factoring. Meron po tayo niyang video tutorial sa ating grade 8 playlist. Pwede po yon. So, pwede nyo itong gamitan ng FOIL method or distributive property. Okay? So, 12x squared plus 7x plus 1 is equal to 15x squared minus 8x plus 1. Ganon din po dito. So, we have, you may transpose yung 15x squared, that will become minus, and also yung negative x squared, that will become positive. Okay? So, combine similar terms po tayo dito, and then 1 minus 1. Ito naman, transpose natin sa right side. So, we have 12 minus 15, that is negative 3x squared, plus 7 plus 8, that is 15x. So, this is 0. So, from here, pwede mo itong i-factor using the common monomial factor. So, you have negative 3x times the quantity of x minus 5. Okay, paano naging ganito? Negative 3x times x, that is negative 3x squared. And then negative 3x minus times negative 5, that is positive 15x. So, that is equal to 0. Therefore, meron tayong dalawang value ng x dito. Ano yung una? We have negative 3x is equal to 0. So, ang makukuha natin dito is, yung una is negative 3x is equal to 0. And then yung isa, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So, meron tayong dalawa. Okay? So, alin dito yung value ng x? So, isolve natin. So, we have x is equal to 0. Paano naging 0? Kasi 0 divided by any number. Diba magiging 0 divided by negative 3 to? So, 0 divided by any number, that is always equal to 0. Okay? And then ito, transpose natin ito sa right side, magiging positive. So, we have x is equal to 5. So, we will be using 5 as the value of x, y. The value of x cannot be equal to 0. Bakit? Kasi kapag ang value ng x mo ay 0, ang measure ng side ng triangle mo ay posibleng maging negative. And we cannot have negative measurements pagdating sa mga figures natin. Okay? So, walang negative dyan. So, let's try. So, kung try natin siya dito, 5 times 0, 0. Minus 1, negative 1. So, ang sukat nito ay negative 1. Okay? So, wala tayong negative na sukat. Okay? So, therefore, the value of x is equal to 5. So, ang gagamitin nating value of x ay 5. Hindi po itong 0. Next. In triangle QRS, meron tayo dito if RD is equal to 3 centimeters and then your DQ is equal to 5 centimeters kasi 3 is to 5 ito. And RS, itong buo, yung RS mo is equal to 12 centimeters. So, we are asked to find RE. Ito po. So, ang una po muna natin gagawin, set up the proportion. So, ano pong proportion ang pwede mong gamitin dito? So, ang pinapahanap sa atin ay si RE. So, kung ang gagawin natin is RD over DQ is equal to RE over ES. So, dalawa yung unknown mo dun. So, ang hirap isolve nun. Okay? So, kung ang gagamitin mo naman ay DQ over RD is equal to ES over RE. So, ano rin yun? Dalawa yung unknown. So, ito ang gamitin natin. Okay? So, pwede kong gamitin na RD over RQ is equal to RE over RS. So, ma'am, RD, given yung RD, yung RQ hindi given, tapos RE hindi rin given. So, dalawa rin po yung unknown doon, hindi po. Kasi ang RQ po ay pwede mong makuha. Paano? I-add po natin ito. So, therefore, ang gagamitin ko ay RD over RQ is equal to RE over RS. Kasi ito ay given. Yung RQ natin, makukuha natin dahil pwede natin itong i-add. Okay? So, we have this proportion. So, your RD is 3. Your RQ is 8. So, paano ko ito nakuha? 3 plus 5, that is 8. And then your RE, and then your RS is 12. So, isa lang ang unknown natin, yung hinahanap lang natin na RE. Okay? So, you can make use of the shortcut. So, RE, and then yung cross multiply, 3 times 12 over 8. Kung ano yung kapartner ni RE sa cross multiplication. So, RE is equal to 3 times 12 over 8. Okay? So, we have 3 times 12, that is 36 over 8. So, i-divide natin siya sa GCF para makuha natin yung simplest form. So, we have RE, 36 divide 4 is 9, 8 divide 4 is 2. So, therefore, your RE is 9 over 2 or 9 halves centimeters. Next. So, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB, so this is a trapezium in which AB, ito raw po, is parallel to DC, where P and Q are the points of this segment and this segment. Now, PQ is also parallel to DC. So, ang given natin, your PD is 18 centimeters, your BQ is 35 centimeters, your QC is 15. So, ang pinapahanap sa atin is AD, itong buo. So, paano natin makukuha itong buo? So, kailangan makuha muna natin itong si PA. Okay? So, para makuha natin itong AD, we need to get the measure of this side, which is PA. Okay, so kunin natin itong PA. So, first step is you have to set the proportion. So, ako ang gagamitin ko is DP. Actually, marami pong ways. Okay? Kasi marami tayong proportion na pwedeng gamitin. Ang difference lang po ng way ng pag-solve siguro natin dito ay kung paano mas mapapabilis. Ano yung proportion na kung saan mas mapapabilis ka. Okay? So, we have DP over PA is equal to CQ over QB. Now, why am I applying this proportion? This is not a triangle. So, bakit ko to ina-apply? Unang-una, hindi siya triangle. So, ang tanong, ang proportion ba ay true pagdating sa ganitong figure or yung proportion ay para lang sa triangle? So, let's see. So, kung gagawan ko to ng diagonal, so magpo-form ako dito ng diagonal, and then I will name this intersection o yung point na to as point K. Okay, so makakabuo tayo ng dalawang triangle dito. We have triangle ADB and triangle CBD. So, meron akong triangle ADB and triangle CBD. So, nakabuo tayo ng dalawang triangle. So, from here, mag-set up tayo ng proportion from the given first triangle. So, sa first triangle mo, meron tayong pwede mong gamitan ng proportion na DP over PA is equal to DK over KB. Right? So, isa lang ito sa mga proportion ng first triangle. Now, sa second triangle, kuha tayo ng isa ring proportion. So, we have DK over KB is equal to CQ over QB. Okay? So, ito naman yung isa lang sa mga proportion ng triangle CBD. Now, as you can see, I have here two proportions of different triangles. Now, kung titingnan natin, pareho silang equal kay DK over KB. So, ito rin equal kay DK over KB. So, by transitivity or transitive property, therefore, if these two proportions or ratios, Okay, so kung itong dalawang ratios na to ay parehong equal sa ratios na to, ibig sabihin, these two ratios are also equal. Okay, so since parehong equal itong ratios na to kay dk over kb, ibig sabihin silang dalawa ay equal din. Okay, so let's see. Tingnan natin dito, I have dp over pa is equal to cq over qb. So, ibig sabihin, the proportion is true kahit hindi po triangle, kahit trapezium po ang ating figure. Okay? So, we have, let us supply the values, the given values. So, your dp is 18. Your PA is, yun po yung kailangan muna nating hanapin. So, kailangan nating mahanap ito para makuha natin yung AD. Okay? So, your CQ is 15 and then your QB is 35. So, para makuha natin yung yung buo, kailangan makuha natin yung sum nitong dalawa. So, we need to get PA. So, doing the shortcut, so we have PA and then cross multiply, we have 18 times 35 over 15. Is kung ano yung kapartner ng unknown, lalagay po lagi sa denominator. So, we have PA is equal to 18 times 35, that is 630, divided by 15, your PA is equal to 42. Okay. So, nakuha na natin yung ating PA, which is 42 centimeters. So, now, para makuha natin si AD, we need to add the measures of DP and PA. So, your DP is 18, your PA is 42, so therefore your AD is equal to 18 plus 42, that is 66 centimeters. So 18 plus 42, that is 60 centimeters. Okay, so let's try. So the triangles are similar. So since similar sila, therefore the corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding sides are proportional. So complete the following. So, I will be answering number 1. So, triangle BCD is similar to triangle ACE. So, giving you 30 seconds or 1 minute to answer. If the time is not enough, you may pause the video. Okay, so let us check. So, we have 15, 20, 12, DE is 4. The perimeter of triangle BCD is 45 units. The perimeter of triangle ACE is 60 units. And the ratio of the perimeters is, paano kukunin yung ratio? 45 over 60. Get the lowest term or the simplest form. So that is 3/4.